Hi everyone. In this video, we will going to look about the append operation in the Power Query, and this operation is very helpful. We receive the data from the different sources, and sometimes it is not in a single table. Suppose in this data set we have two tables of the customers, customer list, and the customer list one we have a customer data, and on the second list we also have a customer data, but on a different table. And but both the table contain the same feature like name, mode, due, and total premium on both the tables. And we want to aggregate both of these tables into one. And it can only be done with the help of the append query. The append query vertically adds the rows of both the table. We will click on the append query and click on the append query as new. The table 1 has been automatically selected. The customer list 1, and the second table it is customer list 2. We will click OK. Now we have new table, and the name of the table is Append. We will do it as customer because it's a customer data. Now we have all the data in a single table, and it's a total number of 191 data, 191 customers data. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.